Discover Science, friends! In today's story, Finn finds a bird when he visits his grandma's house, and he sees there's a nest high up above. He wants to take the bird and put it in the nest, but it's too high and he can't reach it. How can he reach the nest to put the bird back in? Let's make a grabber arm today. Discover today's materials: linking bars, grabber claws, handles, and pins. Okay, let's make a grabber arm. First, I want to remind everyone we have these little pins and they're very tiny and you don't want to lose them. So I'm going to use our tray so you can put it in here so you don't lose them. So be very careful. Don't put it in your mouth, don't put it in your nose, don't put it in your ear. Okay, first, let's take these linking bars. You want to take two and make an X like this. And we're going to put one pin inside the middle, okay? One, two. Okay, so you want to look like an X, right? Okay, we're going to make two more of these. So one, put it inside, and then put it in the other side. So now we have two X's, one more, inside, and then the other side. Okay, so you should have 1, 2, and 3 X's. Okay, put this aside. Now we're going to connect the X's like this. So they're going to connect to each other using more pins. So we'll put one, okay, and then we're going to connect them. So on this side, so you can see, we'll go like this, okay? Okay, so now it's connected. Now we want to connect the bottom side. Be careful with your fingers. Oh, if you do it wrong, you can hurt your fingers. Okay, now it's connected. Now we want to connect one more X like this, okay? Okay, so when everything is connected, 3 X's connected together and it goes like this. That's how you know you did it right. Okay, now we have the handles look like this. They want to go this way, okay? Outside, outside. We're going to connect it right here, okay? Just like scissors, right? Inside. Okay, so it should, watch again, go inside, and then we'll put the clip right in the front, push, and it's connected, okay? So that's one side, and then the other side, doop, like this. See how it turns into scissors? Okay, we will connect one more pin. Here we go. Do, 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 just like scissors. Now we're gonna put the grabbers at the top, okay? Now look at the direction of the grabbers. Not like this, but, okay, so just like the handles, you can slide it in like this, okay? And then put your pin right there. Put one more in right here. So it looks like this, and the pins go inside. One more pin inside. Ta-da! We're done. So now, ta-da! We're done. We're done with the grabber. Now let's try to grab some stuff. Now that we've made our grabber arm, let's try using it. So I have a few things here. I'm going to grab it and move it into the tray. Here we go. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da-da! Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Careful, careful. Grab it. Okay. Okay, so how does this work? Think why. How grabbers use the lever. So grabber arms use the lever principle. A lever is a tool that lifts heavy objects with less effort. So if I tried to do it myself with my arm, so heavy, right? So we use a lever. It works by fixing one point, the fulcrum, and applying force, effort, and then lifting the object, which is the load. So again, the fulcrum is these points here, right? Where it connects. It's like your arm, the bending point. And then we have the load, which is whatever we are picking up, right? There we go. Picking up, that's the load. And then we have the effort. Effort is where we put in the energy. So that's right here. Effort, the load, and in between is the fulcrum. So think more. We have this on our bodies too. I just said that happens on our body here. So here we grab things. Here's the fulcrum in the middle, right? And the effort is in my muscles. Ooh, I have big muscles. Also here in our heads, on our neck, the effort is where I'm moving everything, right? The fulcrum is right in between the head and the neck, and the load, right? Our head is the load. It's very heavy, right? So just like this, our knees, our arms, our neck and head, in our bodies, we use this, and also we use it in the grabber arm.